starting to get in.
So this is Zaria and London making slime, which is a craze amongst kids these days.
Okay, mine's is like starting to form.
Mine's not. Mine's kind of form.
Okay, I guess I need a little more shaving cream.
I put a little more shaving cream too. Oh no! Oh, mine's starting to form. Mine's starting.
Where LeBron James going at?
I think I just need.
Yeah, we did.
Sorry guys, that's just the internet.
And maybe I need a little more contact.
LeBron James messed up.
Turn good. Turn good.
Okay. So my slime is literally starting to form.
Mine is
But it's kind of like a little sticky.
You can show your face
Mine
in the
feels like
videos.
mine feels like marshmallow.
You can see Zaria. You can't see you, London. You can see half of Zaria's face. Maybe they should
See
have
how
put
it's
it
like
up on
stretchy?
something.
It looks like marshmallow. It looks and feels like marshmallow. Okay, I think I need a little tiny bit more glue. So squirt, squirt, squirt. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, let's just move the camera.
Yeah. So guys, it's like going to be the best video ever. Slime that actually this is got a lot of shaving cream.
I know because like my slime isn't like forming, but it's not. It's like sticky.
Mine's not too sticky.
Okay, guys, I'm going to take a little out. Show you guys.
It's not ready yet.
Mine is like stretchy. Now, mine's.
I'm gonna go in with my hand. Oh, guys, I wish you feel how this feels. Oh God. Wait, it's sticky though. This feels like marshmallow.
I am going to.
This slime is farted.
Slime can fart?
Yeah, like flarp.
Flarp. Hot flarp, yep. You heard it from London.
Sticky.
It's so sticky.
Okay. Like it worked, but it's too sticky.
Chinese chopsticks. Woo, woo.
Why is yours so sticky, London?
Because I didn't have enough.
Sorry, chill out. We're going to knock the glass over.
Let's see. I think
I can't believe you guys were able to find slime making on YouTube.
Yeah.
it's everywhere now.
Sorry, that seemed like a little too much contact.
No, I know what I'm doing.
Well, you're a slime making expert.
You guys make it all the time at my friend's house.
Wow.
Yeah. No, I only made it one time at Anya's house.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, that was good, London.
Mine's
Yeah, it's less sticky now. Let's see. I guess they do know what they're doing. Because look, it's less sticky when you added that saline. It's not as gooey. See, it's not sticking to their fingers as much.
Sticking to Zaria's.
Not as much as before. Look, it was all over her hands.
Let's not make it like.
You make it look,
I need
Okay, I think mine's is good.
like,
It's looking good.
cause it was okay till she put them.
Yes, it was okay. It was like solid.
She added
And
more
then-
shaving cream?
Yeah.
Who did?
Oh, okay.
You did.
No, I only had one.
It looks fine, and then now it looks too sticky. What did you do? It seems like you made it too sticky
Guys,
now.
mine's is like not sticky anymore.
Look, yeah, yours is pretty good. See, look, see how it's not sticking anymore? Hers is just about done. Because, see, it's just stretchy.
I don't know.
Did you
I
put too
don't know.
much contact solution in it?
No.
I think the liquid,
Yeah. Because yours is really goopy. It was fine.
Yeah, London's is how it's supposed to be. Okay, Zara, you better figure out what you need to add.
You should add more shaving cream because mine was like.
Done. Dun, dun, dun.
London says you probably need more shaving cream. It's a goopy mess.
For sure. Okay. That's what
Okay,
I
add
did
some
to
more.
mine.
See, look at that. That's solid.
Yeah.
Let me see yours. Yeah,
It
that looks like
sticks
that's
to
fun
you
to play
because you
with.
never touched it.
Oh, okay.
Get a little bit over there to
Oh, that's pretty good.
See, look, Tynesha touched it and it doesn't stick to her hand, Floyd. You can touch it.
You have just pet some slime for the first time. You have been introduced to
I
pet
don't want the
slime.
kids to be making because they have it everywhere.
Yeah.
Those girls probably already know. All the kids do it on YouTube.
Yeah, they do.
They already know.
Yeah.
That's look how they got this
They ain't
recipe.
kid on the body yet,
I
so
love
Okay.
Wendy.
I'm good.
The Blengy is like.
Just keep mixing it.
See, they even know the best recipe maker. They said Wingy is the best.
No, I didn't.
She's not the best.
I
But
said
that's your favorite?
Satisfying, oddly satisfying slime.
Satisfying slime is
No,
there?
like the slime ASMR thing.
Oh, ASMR.
See?
Yeah, that's too much YouTube kids. That's
Yeah.
That's where they love those.
Okay, you gotta be careful. Yeah, you got too much going on, Zaria. It's too much. You're adding too much.
Oh, gosh.
Mine's is.
I think she needs paper towel.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sorry, go over there and get paper towel.
Wait, you don't want her touching anything at this point. Hold on 1
Yeah,
second.
you really don't.
I'm trying my best, okay? Trying my best.
Oh,
Whoa, look at
I need a
that.
container.
this looks pretty bad, Zaria.
Yeah, she really
This
does.
is a slime making crisis right here.
Ah.
Sorry.
Whatever.
Do you think you can fix it?
What happened to yours?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know.
Yeah. Probably a little bit of a fail there, sweets.
A lot of bit of a fail.
Oh, boy. Yeah.
There's too much contact solution in it. I can feel it. I could tell.
Do I need more sugar cream?
No, you're done. With this
My
container.
life has failed. Guys, I made like a big ball. My life has failed. My life has failed.
Let's get a little better. Keep mixing.
Okay. Can I do my music glue?
Sorry, don't add anything else to it.
Yeah, you
Okay,
just
this
gotta,
is-
may
this
have
is
to let it
enough.
evaporate a little bit. It can dry out a little
I
bit.
need more paper.
Yeah.
Wait,
be
don't
okay.
touch it. I'll get it. Because then it'll make it all messy.
Yeah, you know what? I could tell it's too much contact solution.
Yeah, it
'Cause
let
it
it
gets
dry
this
out.
rubbery thing. Nah, it's just not. She didn't do it. It's
Can I
the
fix it? Can
consistency
I
and
ever
stuff.
fix it?
I don't think you can fix it. You might have to make a new one. Is there any glue?
Yeah. I saved
But
it.
it's not enough product because they used all the
I think
saline.
that
little
maybe
bit
you
of-
can make a little, like, use a little bit of it and just
Look, I made a
let it
big
dry out a little.
ball.
No,
That's what happens with clay.
this consistency is not gonna work.
Start over.
Yeah. Oh,
Uh-oh, up, here we go. Watch. This is what's happening to it.
oh.
Okay, it's about to go
Dun,
into
dun,
the
dun.
recycle. Look at that.
Yeah.
That slime was an epic fail. It's like dumping a cake. Sometimes
Saddest
you just have to
day
dump
ever,
it
guys.
and start over.
Saddest day ever. Make sure to always be happy.
Now, tell the people what you can do so that this won't be an epic fail for their slime recipes.
Don't add too much
Yeah, it's so wet at the bottom.
contact.
It's got too much contact
Okay.
solution.
In London, I guess you have enough to share your slime because you actually have more in the jar. In addition to that
It's a
big
little
one right
better at the
there. So
bottom.
guess what? Zaria may have, Zaria will have some slime to play with.
I can add it to my
Oh, look. Oh, the slime is being resurrected.
Better at the bottom.
Look at that. Here we
Hold
go.
on.
Redo it?
No, don't. I
Did
don't
you
know.
ever let's get some footage from this this new slime chemist. Ma'am, did you ever think that your career would take you to the point where you'd be making slime?
All of your degrees you have and all that her work.
And you're creating
And now you're a
just
slimology
turned-
engineer.
Slimology.
I didn't think parenting was gonna take me to slime. Jeez. Okay, let me get some of this, Nikki. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Zaria, I think you might be able to do something with this. Hold on. Hold on. Let's
I
just, first of all, let's
failed,
get all
everybody.
mess
This is
up.
the best day ever.
We're into failure here. We know that that's how you
I
learn.
need a little bowls. You needed a little bowl.
Okay. Well, that's the problem, London. I don't have any containers to give you guys. I should have picked up some at Walgreens.
No, it could work in the jar. You just got to make sure you don't put too much saline, because that one worked on the bottom and yours worked out when you added more stuff to it. Both of them were a fail, but she added some more.
She was patient with her.
I did not fail. I didn't fail.
Yeah, I think she
Look, I
stirred a
have
little
some
and then
here.
kept
I
adding
didn't
instead of
fail,
kept
guys.
stirring
I didn't
enough
fail.
This is
to mix it.
super fluffy.
Yeah, it is.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that is a good one.
You nailed that
What
one.
you do? Make mints?
Make who?
They just make different shapes.
What do you make out of it?
Nothing. This is
Show
it.
him,
And then
London.
you play with it.
They just stretch it and.
Let me talk to the kid. What do y'all make out of it? You make
Contact. Wait, how do you make it?
No, what do you make once it's done? What do you do with it? That's what.
You stretch it and pull it, and it feels so good.
Poke
Oh,
it,
okay.
squish
That's
it.
good.
Let's get
Yeah, it's
some
not
of
like
that.
Play-Doh where they actually form something from it.
They just
Oh,
stretch
You
it.
can also make slime food.
It's
Like, yeah, slime food. It is so satisfying.
You
You
can't make
guys
no little
should make
mints or nothing like that. out of it?
Slime food.
slime. Oh, and by the way, look at her other video. Ell and
what do you do when it's too
Ell and
sticky?
Zee DYI. It's like ASMR video.
And also Ell and Zee vlogs.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, it's
Like
a good.
laughing.